Hey, welcome to the part 3 tutorial in my Adobe Illustrator tutorial series. Guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about some basic drawing tools that you have here in Adobe Illustrator for creating some very basic yet very important drawing shapes. Okay, so guys, before getting started, I would like to say that guys, any kind of tools that you are looking for in Adobe Illustrator are going to be listed on the left hand side. Okay, you can take a look at this toolbar. Every tool, guys, the type tool, the magic wand, the pen tool, the pencil, brush, spiral, actually any kind of tool, guys, is going to be listed right here, guys, in the left hand side. Okay, so I just want to say that. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, now guys, when it comes to basic drawing shapes, I feel that there are two sets, and I said sets, okay, SETS, that there are two sets in Adobe Illustrator of basic drawing tools. One is going to be right over here, and the first tool is the line segment tool. And actually, I was just playing around with Illustrator before, so therefore for me it says spiral tool. For you, I'm pretty sure it's going to be saying line segment tool, and over here is going to be the rectangle tool. I feel that these two sets are are the basic drawing tools. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, guys, and I'm pretty sure that you know about it already, but I just want to say that for explanation purposes, guys, any kind of tool, okay, in Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, any tool, guys, that has this small triangle, okay, means that there are more tools hidden behind these tools. So example, if I click on it and if I hold, you'll see that more tools come up, and that's pretty good. And yeah, one important, and this is one good thing I feel that Adobe Illustrator has, is that it allows you to tear off the menus. Meaning, if I'm creating something, okay, and if I need spiral, I need to go, all the way to the left hand side, and I need to click and I need to hold, and then, guys, I'll be able to select spiral tool. But Adobe Illustrator knows this, and therefore they have given us a very awesome thing that we can click on this small triangle, guys, and that is the tear off, meaning that the whole menu will just pop out of it. Just check that out. If I click on this triangle, guys, you'll see that the whole menu comes out like this, and I can place it anywhere I want in my whole canvas, in my whole software, and whichever tool I want, guys, are available to me. So if I want to use a spiral tool, instead of going all the way to the left, clicking and holding, I have spiral tool right over here by just one click. Same thing applies to the second set, guys, of the rectangle tool and all the basic drawing tools. Rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon, star, flare, and all these, I think, are once again some really basic beginner but yet very important drawing tools. So once again, guys, click and hold on the tool or on the icon, and this pop-up menu will come out. Just click on the small triangle and you'll see that you have tear off the menu, and that's good. That's really good. Good job. If you're following along, then good. Now, guys, you can just select anyone you want, and then you can start drawing. Like, for example, this is the line segment tool, and actually the line segment tool is very important, I think, but it has a very odd keyboard shortcut. But whatever it is, guys, we still didn't want to follow it. This, guys, is, I don't know what to call it, but this key is available to you, and I think it is below the backspace key on your keyboard. If you are on Windows, I'm sorry, I don't know about Mac. I know I used Mac before. So if you just hit that key, you'll see that the line segment tool gets selected, and you can start drawing lines. And you'll see I can start drawing any kind of lines I want. And okay, not so good. Select it, delete it, because we want to get rid of them, and awesome. Arc tool, guys, I think is pretty important, because say if you want to create a heart shape or something, okay, or anything that has a heart, that has an arc, at that time I'm pretty sure you're gonna have some use of it. Then, guys, you have all sorts of different tools: the spiral, the grid, the polar grid, all sorts of different tools, guys. I suggest and I advise you to go and check each and every one of them out, because every one, guys, has some specific importance, and I just want you to practice out with them, all right, and remember what all you can do with the tools. Okay, so let's get to the next set. The rectangle tool, guys, I'm pretty sure that you will be knowing this. You can just select and create a new rectangle. If you hold on the shift key, guys, you will be creating a box, not a rectangle, guys. And, guys, if you add, when you are drawing, and if you're holding the shift key, if you add a space bar to the whole thing, to the whole shortcut, you'll be able to position and place your rectangle wherever you want it, whenever you are drawing it. So say if I want to place it over here, I don't need to start my drawing over here. I can start it in the middle of the canvas, and then, guys, by holding the space bar and the shift together, I can place it wherever I want. And awesome, take a look at it. Looks great. once again shift spacebar for placing it, and oh no, actually that looks bad, not perfect. Shift spacebar and space on the center. Awesome, looks good. Then guys, we have the round rectangle, the ellipse, and also some different tools. Yeah, one of the oh, I'm sorry, that was my keypad. I'm actually on a laptop right now, guys. Okay, now guys, we have the ellipse tool, we have the star tool, and I think that star tool is pretty awesome, guys, and I tend to use it a lot when I'm working in Illustrator. Select it, guys, and you can just start drawing whatever shapes you want with the star tool. And guys, if you add the shift key, once again you will be scaling in proper aspect ratios and proper proportions, and if you add the arrow keys, you'll see that you are increasing the points in the star tool once again. And yeah, for this I have used the up arrow key. So if you if you click on the up arrow key, you'll be adding points. If you want to reduce the points, if you feel that the points are too much, then you can just hit the down arrow key and you'll see that you're removing the points. You can position it as, you know, wherever you want to position it, and I'm just gonna add a shift key to it, so something like this. I think it's good and awesome, guys. And I don't know what I'm creating, but I'm just, you know, just practicing with it. Okay, and you know, one more tool that I would like to speak about in today's video is this tool, and I think that it is at least the icon, guys, was pretty, you know, it is pretty curious. You know, when you take a look at it, you'll see, what the hell, man. You know, there's some 3 lines, and then there's you know, 2, 3 circles, and what the hell that is. This is actually the flare tool, guys, meaning you can actually create a lens flare in Adobe Illustrator. If you are Photoshop or an After Effects user, you'll be pretty you know, you will be what do you say, known to the lens flare. So just select the tool, and if you start drawing, you'll see that you can create a lens flare. Now right now, guys, I'm going to create a little bit small so that all you guys can see. I don't want to, you know, create a very big. And let go, guys. You'll see that you have created successfully a good lens flare. And awesome. Now guys, if you are wondering, I'm not talking about the color and the fill and the stroke and all, guys. Today's video is only going to be about creating basic drawing tools, okay, and some keyboard shortcuts, which I'm going to teach you in some time. The color filling and the stroke, guys, is going to come in my future videos. Don't worry, I'm going to teach that, okay. So if you're wondering, don't worry, I'll definitely teach that, but not now. Okay, so you can position them around, you can select them with your selection tools. Yeah, make sure, guys, that your selection tool is selected, and therefore I really advise you to click on the V key whenever, guys, you want to get out of the, you know, any kind of you know, tool. And that's very good. That is one habit that you should develop when you are using Illustrator. And I'm gonna delete everything, select all and delete them. Okay, good. Now guys, actually, just for giving you guys a good idea of what all can you create with your with these basic drawing tools, actually I was working, you know, before starting the video tutorial, actually recording, I was working with this one file I've created. And you know, it's nothing much, guys, but it was definitely something new, I would say. Check it out. I'm gonna make it come in the center. Press Ctrl+, guys, for zooming into the image. And you'll see, guys, that, you know, it is actually actually what I've done is I've created a spiral first, okay, and then I've used a little bit of a pen tool. Now pen tool, guys, is seriously very easy, okay. There is nothing to be afraid of or nothing, you know, to be scared of, guys. It is seriously very easy. There's just some few things that you need to remember when you're using the pen tool, and you'll be a master in pen tool in, like, say, you know, in 2-3 days, I would say, if you're practicing a lot. And then I took the star tool, guys. I created 3 stars that looks like this. Actually, I'm gonna press Ctrl Z, and then you know, I just thought of, you know, completing the whole figure, guys, by adding, you know, a good base or a flow to the, you know, to the figure. So I use the line tool for doing all this, and actually and then, guys, I joined the tool, so it looks actually like this. You know, we do not have a completed figure right now, but I think it was pretty awesome, guys. Okay, if you can create something like this, if you are getting some good ideas, and feel free, guys, you know, definitely try to use a pen tool, I would say, you know, even though I haven't taught you that. But still, man, you know, if you want to use pen tool, don't wait for me. And if you don't want to wait for me, then feel free to go ahead and use the pen tool. I'm going to soon make a tutorial on it, so please subscribe to this channel. And I'm going to press Ctrl 1 right now for zooming back to 100%, and that's a pretty important shortcut, guys. And yeah, guys, let's talk about some zoom in shortcuts, okay, since we have started this tutorial, and we have crossed 10 minutes already. So alright guys, I'm going to talk about the keyboard shortcuts for zooming in. Guys, the keyboard shortcut for zooming in, and I think that when you're working with Illustrator, a software like Illustrator, I think zoom in is a very important thing, and you should be definitely knowing all the shortcuts. Guys, Control plus will take you to 100% zoom, and you can take a look at the zoom percentage down here on the left hand side. You can take a look at this. You can actually manually add any kind of number you want to, and you'll see it comes. You even have the drop down. You can fit on screen, guys, and the shortcut for fit on screen, guys, is actually, I need to zoom in a little bit, is Control 0. So you see, if I press Control 0, and this is actually a keyboard shortcut taken from Adobe Photoshop, or actually I don't know, actually Photoshop would have taken it from Illustrator. And actually Photoshop came first. Photoshop, guys, came first. So this these are some keyboard shortcuts taken from Adobe Photoshop. So if you guys are Adobe Photoshop user, you're going to be familiar with these shortcuts, and you can use Control plus, guys, for zooming in, and Control minus for zooming out. But these are some keyboard shortcuts, okay, and very good, definitely, no doubt, very good. But guys, when you are doing some really good designing, and you have a target line, guys, that you have to submit this design by tomorrow or in a week, okay, you would be needing a much faster keyboard shortcut for zooming in. And this is the thing: you hold on your Alt key, okay, and if you have a mouse that has a scroll wheel, hold on your Alt key, guys, and then zoom in. If you scroll the mouse wheel up, you'll see that you're zooming in. If you scroll back out, you'll see that you're zooming out. Alright, so guys, I think I'm gonna be stopping my video tutorial now. Okay, thank you for joining this tutorial. Thank you for watching this tutorial and joining me on this tutorial, guys. It was really fun to teach you. Please subscribe to this channel. Please like this video, and guys, please subscribe to this channel, guys. Yeah, and yeah, like this video on YouTube too. And stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna soon upload lots of more tutorials also. Please check out my other tutorial series also, guys, on Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere. And thank you, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.